Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi Tiwari and today we have got one very interesting yet important topic, and that is the sentence construction. This video is not only for the IELTS test taker but on the huge demand we have got this video for all the English learners. So जितने भी बच्चे, जितने भी कैंडिडेट, जितने भी इंडिविजुअल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को स्टडी कर रहे हैं, this is going to be a mass video for you all and you'll have a lot of understanding with this. So guys, today we are going to talk about the type of sentences. So as you know that we have different type of sentences. We have compound sentence, we have simple sentence and we have complex sentence. Most of the times generally जब भी हम sentence construction करते हैं उसके लिए हमें simple sentences बनाने की habit होती है. Simple sentences are what? जिसमें whatever action is being performed सिर्फ उसके बारे में डिस्कस किया जाता है. जैसे Tom cried. Now, if you look at the sentence, you can observe that यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक action बताया गया है which is already been performed, wherein you can observe or the reader can observe that the Tom has cried. But can you identify what made him cry? Can you identify what was the reason? Or were you able to get the information happened between this action or after that? So compound sentence की जरूरत हमें क्यों पड़ती है? So that we can get to know about the clauses, condition which are associated maybe before or after when the action is being performed. So अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे ये एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है जिसमें सिर्फ आपको ये पता चल रहा है एज ए रीडर कि एक्शन परफॉर्म क्या हुआ है, बट इससे आगे आपको कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन पता नहीं चल रही है. So how will you be able to understand that and how will you be able to identify that? So Tom cried. Action मिल गया. Now we have to give the reason and that reason is going to be because. अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं Tom cried because. यहाँ पे reason पता चल रहा है, यहाँ पे आपको independent clause पता चल रहा है कि ये रोया तो Tom has cried, but what was the reason behind? And the reason behind was that we are going to illustrate in this sentence, and that is the ball hit him. अब अगर आप ये पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ते हैं तो आपको उस इंसिडेंट के एक्शन परफॉर्मेंस से पहले के होने वाले रीजन का पता चलेगा, राइट? सो अगर ये एक सिंपल सेंटेंस है टॉम क्राइड, बट आपको ये पता नहीं चल रहा था वेदर दैट क्राई वाज फॉर हैप्पीनेस और फॉर सैडनेस, दैट वाज अ ग्लूमी, दैट वाज अ ग्रेवियंस, दैट वाज अ सैडनेस, क्या था? सो वंस आई हैव गिवन यू द डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज एंड दैट इज द बॉल हिट हिम. So if a ball hit Tom, so definitely he is crying out of being hurt, right? So उसको चोट लगी थी, उसको प्रॉब्लम हुई, इसलिए वो रोया. So crying, the action was based on the dependent clause and that was the hurting. Now suppose additional information on this, and Tom cried because the ball hit him, and अब इससे आगे का एक्शन क्या परफॉर्म होगा? एंड अगेन इज यूज्ड हियर एज अ कनेक्टर. कनेक्टर्स आर एक और वीडियो हम इसमें लेके आएंगे. सो जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आएगा दैट इज गोइंग टू टॉक इन डिटेल अबाउट द कनेक्टर्स. एंड आई apologized. That means the reason behind the hurting of the ball was me, I, the speaker of the sentence. So I am the speaker of the sentence and I was the reason because of which the ball hit Tom and he cried, right? But can you identify? I apologized, agree. Tom cried, agree. The ball hit him, reason is also in front of us, but is it mentioned that when did I apologize? No, this is not mentioned. So we are going to add another word called immediately. So this becomes the independent clause. ये independent information है which is not dependent on this action performance. अगर आप देखेंगे कि टॉम क्यों रोया, so that was just because of a reason that the ball hit him. Who was the person behind hitting the ball? Naturally I, because I apologized. Now once I apologize, the independent information which has no relevance in performing of the action, and that is immediately. So अगर आप ये देखेंगे कि why these three words are written with three different color is just because to tell you that this is the independent clause, this was the independent clause, and this was the dependent clause. And here I apologized immediately again was the independent clause. Why these two are the independent clause? Because ये जो information है ये इस action पे dependent है, right? But ये जो बाकी की दो action perform किए जा रहे हैं, they are not dependent directly on each other. It's just that they are correlately engaged with each other or connected with each other. So I hope that this video will add a value to your English language, your construction of sentence, and you will come out as a strong English learner. So if you like the content of our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll keep on upgrading your English language skills. Till then, stay tuned.